Hi, so I've been getting some questions about how I create these multi-video slides that I'm able to enter into Seesaw. It's actually pretty easy, so I want to show you how I do this. All you do, I'm going to start with a new file so that you guys can see how it starts in the beginning. I'm going to make a copy of my current one and then delete the videos inside so you can see exactly how I add in the videos. So I am in Google Slides right now, and all I did was I picked out a presentation background. You can choose anything you like, and I added some text here. For this assignment, it was March Madness, and they are picking one book, reading one book, and then reading another, and then deciding which one they felt should move on in the competition. So in this case, I needed 2 videos to be presented, and Seesaw only allows me to link one. However, by using this Google Slide workaround, they're able to watch both videos within the one activity, and they are not even sent out of Seesaw. It's all within Seesaw. They are not sent to YouTube. So it's a really cool way to have multiple videos in one activity. So all you do, it's super easy, is you go to Insert, and then you come over here down to Video, and you'll see there's a link for YouTube. And my videos I've been uploading to YouTube. So what you do is you go to YouTube and find the video you want. Let's say I wanted to add this one for the Great Escape. That one will work just fine. So I've got that one, and I'm going to copy it. I hit Command C, and then I'm going to paste it into this search bar by hitting Command V, then hit the search. It will pop up. Nothing's clickable yet because you first need to click the actual video that you want to use, the Great Escape, and hit Select. It will pop right up into your slide. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Broncherina because we're not using that one. I'm just going to pick random videos to show you how it works. You can make these videos bigger, smaller, adjust them however you want by just dragging the corners and then moving them where you want them to be. So let's say this was today's reading assignment, and I wanted to create a sort of choice board, I guess, for the day. Here's today's reading, and then I wanted to add in a writing. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Insert, and I'll go to Video. This has the old video I just put in here. I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to go back to my YouTube. Where did they go? And find a writing lesson that I have recorded and put on to YouTube. So let's see, here's one, writers use dialogue. I'm going to grab this video, copying the link by highlighting the link and then hitting Command C, and then go back to that search bar, and I'm going to hit Command V to paste it in there. Hit search, you'll see it comes up, writers use dialogue, click it, hit select, and it's going to pop up into your slide. Now I'm going to adjust it to make it smaller so I can fit in a math lesson. And I'm kind of one of those people that has to be like, oh, they're same size. Okay, kind of pretty close. See, this kind of stuff would drive me crazy. Okay, there we go. They line up now. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you, if you don't have a YouTube video, but you have videos that are on your Google Drive, you can upload from there as well. So I use Screencastify to record my my writing lessons, my math lessons, and in those screencasts, my students are able to see my PowerPoint slides. And Screencast uploads these links, these video links, right into my Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do that too. So I'll go to Insert, and same thing, I'm going to go to Video again. But instead of this search piece, and not by URL, we're going to go to Google Drive. And you will see them all pop up here. These are some of the videos that I've created for our lessons. So let's say I wanted them to do this math lesson. I'm going to click this one and then hit Select. And again, it's going to pop right into my screen. It's really big. I have to resize this, so I'm going to drag it down and make it fit. This is a widescreen video, so it's not going to be the same size as my other ones, but that's okay. There we go. So we have these 3 videos, one for reading, one for writing, one for math. They're all in here. You can add text boxes as well. So you just go Insert, Text Box, and we could say this is reading. Can't see it, it's behind the box, but I'll pull it up so you can see it. There's reading, and then Insert, Text Box, writing. Whoop, that's going the wrong direction. Let's make the text box a little bigger. Let's make a new text box. This one is kind of being a pain in my butt. Okay, text box, put it down here. Writing, there we go. And we're gonna click on it and we're gonna drag it up to where we want it to go. There we go. And then we have one more, insert text box. We have math. And dragging it up to where I want it to go. So you have your 3. Now, the next thing you need to do is the most important part. If you don't do this piece, many of your students won't be able to access the slide. So you go to share, and then you're gonna go to advanced right here. You wanna go to this advanced piece because you don't wanna send it to all email addresses. I mean, you could, but it's a little bit easier to just have it in a present version. Hit advanced. And then right now you can see it says private, only you can access, and that's not what you want. So you wanna go to change, and I changed mine to on, anyone with the link. So if I provide this link to students, parents, other teachers, they will have the link to this presentation. You could also put it public on the web. That just means anybody and everyone could access it. I prefer to have anyone with the link. This one here on Almadenette Country Day School, that means that anybody within my school district with ACDS emails would be able to access it, but many of my students and parents don't have those accounts. And so on with anyone with the link is the way you want to go. So you click that and hit save. And then once you've done that, you're all set. You want to hit done. So you're all set so friends can see it and use it. And what you're going to do now is you're going to go up into the search bar, and you'll see it says it's /edit hashtag slide, blah, 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 blah. You're going to erase it all the way to edit. So I've highlighted it here, and I'm going to get rid of that piece. So get rid of that, and I'm going to type in present. Okay, and then hit enter. And now you have your slide. This is a published slide. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this whole link, this Google link, and you're gonna hit Command C. And now what we need to do is we need to take it into Seesaw. So I'm gonna go over here to Seesaw, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a new activity. So add activity, assign activity, and we'll go ahead and call it, we'll create new activity, multi video Seesaw activity. Okay, so then what you would do is you go to add multimedia instructions or example. That's where your slides are gonna go. And you're gonna go to the link. You're gonna paste that link that you just copied in there by hitting Command V, hit the green check mark. Don't click go to add file, you're gonna hit continue. Once you've got it going, there you can see it's right here. You're gonna hit the green check mark. Wait for it to upload. There we go. It's all set, and then you're gonna hit save. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like. So here it is. Let's say my students had this activity and they'd see it. They see that there's a link here. And when they click this link, it takes them right to that presentation that we were just at. So they can see that here's the reading video, here's the writing video, and here's the math video. And it's all within Seesaw. They're not being taken out to YouTube. You can see they can watch the video right here.
Hey guys, I wanted to share a news story with you.
So, and here's another one. Then they can do this one when they're done.
Hi everyone, I'm
they can
back
also
for another
expand
writing
it so
lesson.
they can see
And
it
today
large.
What I wanted
They're able to see all three videos.
Mrs. Abrick here again to teach you a new math lesson. Today,
they are able to see all three videos within this one slide, which is a really cool, cool way to be able to kind of have a look at the day in one place. If you don't want to assign multiple activities, or if you're doing like the activity that I was, where they were comparing two books and they need to watch both, but Seesaw only allows you to insert one video link. This way you're able to add more than one. Anyhow, I hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.